Hello, this is Thea coming to you from superhairpieces.com. So right now we're going to be showing you a video about how to use tape and apply your M100 model. So let's start with the 1 to 3 day hold. You're going to need red tape, as shown here, or 3M tape. So these two are great for the 1 to 3 day hold. So as you can see, it comes in a large 36 yard, comes in a 3 yard, and we also offer it in a 12 yard too. They come in rolls, and they also come in pre-cut packages, such as these two. So the large and the small pieces. And that's the 3M. So what you're going to want to do is tape your front. So we're going to be showing you using the red tape. So you can cut a piece off of your roll, or you can start by using a pre-cut. So we're going to use the pre-cut for the front of the piece because it has a nice shape to it and which goes with the curvature of the model. So what you want to do is line up the tape close to the edge as possible. So this model has a scalloped edge, so you just want to go right before it starts the scalloped pattern. So take your time on doing this. Place the one side down, nice and even. And once you have it down, you can peel off the double-sided tape part. Okay, so there's your front taped. And what we like to do is get a roll and cut pieces for the sides and around the back. So place it down on the perimeter and peel it away. So the M100 is a great model for the first signs of hair loss. It's also a very popular model. The size is 6.5 by 8.5, but it can be cut down. It has a clear 1-inch poly perimeter, which is ideal for taping, or you can sew clips onto it. There's also a fine silky monotop. The density of this model is 120%. So as you can see, we're taping all around the perimeter. And just keep rolling your tape over. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about the types of tape you need to use if you want to have a 5-day hold on your hairpiece. So for the 5 days, what we would recommend is the blue tape, and you can use the blue tape on its own, or you can use it with the Mighty Tite, which is depicted right here. So that's our large bottle that we sell and carry on our website. So that's an optional step if you want to add the Mighty Tite for extra hold. We find that the blue tape works fine, but if you just want that extra hold. So you take a pre-cut and you peel it. go ahead and line it up with the edges right before the scallop pattern. So go ahead, smooth it down. Doesn't matter which side you start with for the tape. Both sides are sticky. So where you have that extra space of the scalloped part is showing, you can place your mity tite over it if you'd like. So go ahead and slowly peel off the backing. And there's the front. And then you're going to want to take some more tape. You can use your roll and then just tape all around the sides and the back. Okay, so if you want something longer, for a 2 to 3 week hold, you have several options. So what we would recommend with this model is you can use geotape strips. So these are the long strips that have the small holes in them. And you can use that with a combination of glue. So the two glues we would recommend are the Mity Tite and the Ultra Hold. If you apply the glue on top of the strip, just make sure it dries tacky before you attach it. You can also use the super tape in the rolls or the pre-cut, and if you don't want to use the geotape. So to apply the system after you've taped all around the perimeter, what you want to do is make a mark on top where you'd like the hairpiece to go. So you can use an eyeliner pencil, something soft and that will rub off easily. So once you've put your tape and your glue all around the system, you're ready to go and apply your hairpiece. So again, the geotape with a mixture of the tape or on its own, which is what we've done here. So go ahead and take your piece and line it up with that mark you've created and press it down to make it stick. And then what you want to do is slowly roll the piece back onto your head, pressing on the parts where the tape is. Slowly roll it back and press. Make sure that you're not leaving any air bubbles, and just take your time when doing this. Once you have it on, you can press it on, or you can use a towel method, which is put a towel over your head and pull both sides down, and that'll ensure it stays. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to place an order, check out our website or give us a call.